I've been working on the loophole and LSAT logical reasoning for like 5 years. And throughout that time, you know, everybody who knew me would constantly be like, hey, how's the book going? Almost done? And I'd be like, yeah, just finished the first draft, 4 years later. Oh, just gotta do some layout. That took me a year to lay it out the way I wanted. And throughout that whole time, I always told people, it's like, until I have it literally in my hand and it is a product that can be sold, like, I'm not done. And I'm waiting for that moment so hard. And that is all I wanted for so long. And I wanted to record, what it really looks like when somebody's dream comes true. And so I have the books right here, and I just need to cut the last little bit of tape, and then you can see that. So here we are. I've actually been afraid to open it. Okay. Let's see, right? All right. Oh my god! Oh my god, and I opened right up to the loophole, what if catastrophe, and my wire references. Oh my god. Oh my god, the paper's so nice. Oh my god, and the green looks so nice. Oh my god, and the drill pages look so nice. It's so light. Worth it.